offers softw.are development kit to expand dash button replenishment program to more screens. Amazon is expanding its dash button replenishment program with a software development kit that will add one-click reordering from multiple connected devices. The dash program initially featured a physical button that would trigger reorders of supplies. By adding virtual dash buttons, Amazon can expand its supplies replenishment sales. Amazon isn't going to abandon the physical dash button play. After all, Amazon said it has added HP, Kenmore, 3M Filtrete, Epson and Blusteream to the Dash program. Dash can connect to connected devices via sensors and automatically reorder supplies. The virtual version of Dash will be offered through the Virtual Dash Button Service, an SDK that allows third parties to add software-based reordering to screen devices. These shortcuts will allow Amazon Prime members to reorder products. Amazon just added more dash buttons for you to press. Amazon Dash buttons are smarter than you think. Amazon's Dash button, a look at the economics, returns to consumer goods companies, while HP's printers that will automatically reorder ink are interesting. Amazon's virtual Dash button service may have a bigger impact. The technical details of the service, VDBS, work like this. For now, enterprises need to email Amazon to get started with VDBS. But the program will be open to the public in the months to come. LG, Samsung and Whirlpool are early users of VDBS.